So you've heard about new Gmail custom layouts, but where are they? How do you access one shared with you, or how do you share one to someone else? You can do this from Gmail or from Drive. Here's how. In a Gmail message, from the bottom toolbar, click Select a Layout. This will open up a page of default layouts. Near the top left, if you click My Layouts, you'll see the layouts you've created or layouts that have been shared with you. When you find the layout you want to use, click on Edit Layout, and you'll be in the Edit view here. In Google Drive, even though there is a type dropdown, layouts don't appear as an option yet. But in the search bar, you can type literally type colon email hyphen layout. And when you click enter and see your search results, you'll see all the layouts that you have access to or that have been shared with you here. Quick note, even if you don't have this feature, if someone shares a layout with you, you will be able to see it with view only access in Drive. And you can click to open it from here as well. Now, just like any other Google Drive item, you can share these through Drive by clicking on the item, right-clicking and choosing Share. Or when you're in either edit view in the top right-hand corner, there is a Share with Others button you can use to share this with someone else. And then you can collaboratively edit and create these to get them just the way you want before inserting them Gmail and sending them out. Happy creating beautiful emails. At the time of this video, this feature is available only to some Google accounts. Check the link in the description for more information.